once this bottle is empty, I'm going to demonstrate for you. On the side here, you'll see the water line. So I'm going to get you to fill water from the bottom right up to there. Now the purple part is where you're going to put your concentrate. So let's do the blue, just the water first. Now because this bottle has already been used, it might foam up a bit. So you might have to wait and let it settle. The next part you're going to do is put the concentrate in now from here. And there is, you can't see it on the camera, a little line here, I can feel it. And you'll just go up to that line there. You can get the little hand spray if you did purchase one of these. That also has the line for the water level, so when you run out of this you can fill it up with water and put the rest Vera Clean.